Hi there. So today I wanted to share the process of taking my Web2 Google Firebase app and converting it to a Web3 smart contract powered dApp using Moralis. I'm logged in here with my Google account. I gave this app to my mom for her birthday, so you can see she's been busy adding recipes and whatnot. It's a very simple app. You add a title for the recipe, a description, some images if you want. Then there are ingredients and steps that you can also add. You can edit a recipe if you so choose. You can remove one. It's a very simple app. The entire back end is Google Firebase, so we're using a Google Firebase database for this version and Google Cloud Storage. So this is the Web3 dApp version. First thing we're going to do is authenticate here, and instead of signing in with Google, we are signing in with MetaMask using Moralis, and we'll sign in. And so this dApp is powered by a smart contract, and that smart contract has a list of addresses that are whitelisted addresses. And so what's happening here is that when I authenticate, I am getting the Ethereum address of the user who is attempting to sign in, and then I am checking that against the whitelisted addresses from the smart contract, and if the attempted signing in address matches one of the whitelisted addresses, then we have access to this page here, which looks very familiar. I call it secret sauce because the idea being maybe you're a chef with some secret recipes that you only want a few people to have access to. So you whitelist those addresses so they can access the app and see the secret recipes. It was just a fun little twist. But right now you can see we have no recipes. So let's go ahead and we can add one. So let's call it Web3 dApp, and description, awesome Web3 dApp using Moralis. It is easy as pie. Add ingredients, Solidity for the smart contract, hard hat for testing, we'll do React for the front-end framework, and we use Ethers, JS, and of course Moralis to help us out on the front end. And now for steps, write smart contract, test contract, deploy on testnet. This contract is deployed on the Polygon Mumbai testnet. Use Moralis for front end. And this looks pretty good to me. Now to upload some photos. So here are the photos we're going to upload. Now, what's happening here is that when I say click to upload pics, instead of having our photos go to a Firebase cloud storage bucket, Moralis is actually uploading them to IPFS. You can see all three of them got uploaded. It's actually uploading them to IPFS for us, and they send you back a handy dandy URL to use on the front end, which we will see in a moment. So this recipe looks pretty good to me. I think we are ready to submit. So MetaMask is going to pop up because this is a smart contract interaction. So we are going to confirm, and now we wait. And here we have it. This is the recipe we just made. So here are our images from IPFS with Moralis's help here. That was super easy. Here are all the ingredients and all the steps we did. And that's it. This is basically the exact same application except using the blockchain in Web3. something to note that's cool is that in Firebase they have something called on snapshot, which allows you to update your UI in real time with changes to the database. Well, the smart contract that powers this dApp and many smart contracts emit events when things happen within the contract. And so I have set up my front end to listen for those events. So we also get real-time updating when things change within the contract without having to refresh the page. To show you an example, we can just say Web3 dApp change. We'll just change the title, keep everything else the same, submit it. This is a contract interaction, so we will confirm. And now we wait. The event was emitted. So if this is successful, we will see. There we have it. Web3 dApp changed. So I hope you enjoyed this really simple but really fun way of taking a Web2 application and converting it into a smart contract powered Web3 dApp. Thank you so much for watching.